Peace, family. In this video, we're going to learn how do you thank other users on glitch.com. Thanking is really important because Glitch believes we need to show more love to other coders, especially the people who are helping us out. As you thank people and as you get more thanks, you'll be able to unlock new features. So thanking is really important. In order to thank someone, what you would do is you would first go to that person's avatar. So I'm going to go down here, and these are some projects I've worked on with some of the Unlock Academy students. So for example, I'll look at this project right here called Sixgander. It was created by Naomi. So I'll click this, I'll click edit project. You only can give thanks through the project editor, so you have to be on this page right here, right? So now it's as easy as clicking on her avatar, and it's going to say project member. Her name is Naomi Burrows, and then I just click thanks for helping. Cool, and now she's been thanked one time. So anybody who helps you out, including myself, you just go to a project that we've worked on together, and then you just click on my name, and then you just click thanks. And you can do that for each and every person that helps you out. All right.